Hi, welcome to this video. To use ChatGPT's custom instructions for better, more tailored responses, you can configure two specific boxes in your profile settings: about you, your background and location, and how you want ChatGPT to respond, meaning your preferred tone, formatting, and structural constraints. So click the two lines in the top left here and head over to the settings gear at the bottom right? And I'm gonna get back to you. Because there is a lot of sensitive information, I'm treading lightly in this tutorial. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click the second option, memory, right? And this will help ChatGPT know you better, right? This is the about you section, right? You're gonna add your nickname, your occupation, and of course more about you. And here where you're gonna speak a little bit about yourself, like what's your name, where you're from, your your nationality, whatever, and your interests, values, or preferences, whatever. If you don't see a location section here, then you can add it in the about you section. Okay. Now I'm gonna get back to the settings of ChatGPT and I'm gonna get back to you again. Next, we're gonna go to the personalization, which is very optional to me. But at the very bottom, you're gonna see custom instructions, excuse me. And this is where you're gonna tell ChatGPT exactly how you want it to respond, right? Share anything else you'd like ChatGPT to consider in its response. This is how you want ChatGPT to respond section, right? You're gonna, if you have a preferred tone, you can say, I want more professional tone or more casual, more Gen Z in some cases. Then add it here and hit the check mark to save the settings. This will help ChatGPT know exactly what you're about, right? Or what do you like exactly. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.